Although it's almost confirmed that the new iPhone 12 or 12 Pro Max and all the new iPhones would not be coming with any charger adapter. They might give you a cable, a charger cable, and some paperwork and just the iPhone in the box. It was also confirmed by seeing the previous launch in September, the launch of the Apple Watch. But the iPhone 12 is almost going to be launched in the October 3 or on October 13th. It's going to be in the market in between those days. But even though the Apple didn't announce any new iPhone during its September event, the company detailed the heart of the future's phone, the Apple A14 chipset. Based on Apple's claims at the announcement, we estimated it to have a 17% faster CPU and 8% better GPU than its predecessors, and a newly surfaced benchmark shows these numbers are close enough. An 822 benchmark run on the iPhone 12 Pro Max reveals 16% higher CPU score and 4% better GPU result. There is, however, a more pronounced boost in memory speeds, 22%, but overall the performance gains are clearly minor. The combined result of 572,033 points might seem low, considering the Snapdragon 865 Plus Android competition goes above 6 lakh, which is 600k, but crosses platform benchmark comparison isn't really a level playing field because there are differences in how the tasks are executed. However, the comparison to the A13 should be fully relevant, and it shows that the world's first 5nm chipset won't bring the performance leap many were expecting of it. There are three explanations that comes to mind. For one, Apple might have prioritized battery draw over outright performance, making the A14 use less power while achieving what is roughly the same performance. That's most likely it, since the A14 Bionic Pioneer, the Apple iPad Air 4th generation, has the same battery life as its predecessor, despite packing an 8% smaller cell. Alternatively, the move to 5nm chipset might not yield the gains that we all hoped. While the almost 30% smaller process should theoretically deliver great efficiency boost, it may take time until it's fully utilized. Finally, this could be an engineering sample, and the performance of the final units can be far better. However, with Apple itself claiming modest gains close to these results, that seems like a very long shot. So there will be the Apple iPhone, Apple 12 in the market soon enough. And what are your thoughts about the coming iPhone and your thoughts about the charger? Because there are higher chances that they are not going to include the charger adapter in the box, and you are just left with some paperwork and your cell phone. If you think you have liked this video and want to share your ideas, please make sure to leave a comment and buy anything from Amazon using our link. That way will be helped by your contribution. If you buy anything, we'll get some percentage from Amazon, not from your money. It will be kind of a brokerage money by the Amazon. If you do that, we'll be grateful for you, and keep visiting Tides.